Well, this one were barely alive, so I've squashed its head, and I'll just get this girl to eat it. If I can just tempt her. There we go. Took a bit. Can't really see, unfortunately, because she's at the back. There she goes though. That should keep her happy for a couple of days, I think. Might just be able to, yeah, there we go. Just move that leaf because she won't bother. If I can get it. There we go. Still can't really see that clever. But she's working into it now. And with my tongue feeding her, I weren't gonna feed the locust live. It were already suffering, bit looks of it, through the transit. So you can just see there, I completely squashed its head. So everyone's a winner. Locust hasn't felt out, and my big girl gets a nice big meal.